How to make your windows faster. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily make your windows faster. First thing you have to do is go to Start menu, and then open up your settings. Once landed on the settings page, find the privacy and security option. Now from here, you want to head over to General, and then the first thing you have to do is just turn off all of these options. Once you do that, just go back. You can leave these two on, but you can just go ahead and turn off all these three. Then go to System, and then Storage. Now you're going to have to clear out all of the unnecessary files. So go to Advanced Storage Settings. Right above that, you have Cleanup Recommendations. So just wait for a bit, and then click on Cleanup Recommendations. It will show you all of the temporary files that you don't need on your PC. So go ahead and select all of these files. And once you select these files, you can just go ahead and clean it up. Click on Continue. You could also see large and unused files like these ones. You clear them out as well. So if you don't use them anymore, you can just select these and then clear them out. So once that is done, go back to your Privacy and Security tab and go to Speech. Now turn off this option, Online Speech Recognition. Go back again, scroll down, and then from here you're going to have to find App Permissions. Go to Location and make sure to turn off the location services for the apps that you don't need. Do the same thing for others like your camera and microphone as well. And then go to Notifications. You can turn off notifications for the apps that you don't need. And finally, you can do the same thing for other app permissions like file system, screenshot borders, music library, and documents. After doing all of these, close everything out and give your PC a quick restart, and you should be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.